Hey lovelies, what's up? Wagwan. I hope all is well. Welcome back. And of course, if you are new here, a very special welcome to you. In today's video, guys, I will be deep conditioning my hair with this product that I am trying for the first time. It is called the Doo-Gro. And of course, over the course of time, you'll see where I'll be trying out, different hair products. Now guys, I very much rather homemade products, but I just really wanted to try these different products. Get what I mean? So if you're interested in seeing homemade products, then definitely subscribe so that when that time comes around, you don't miss out on how I will make these products and apply it to my hair. Now guys, the strategy that I'll be using to apply this deep conditioner, I think that it is effective. And I really do think that it helps to maximize hair growth. So essentially what I do is that I separate my hair. How I separate my hair, I separate it in say about 4. So I'll put like 2 at the back and then 2 at the front. And then I'll use an elastic band to just separate each section. Now as you can see guys, my part, they are not perfect. That is because I am just deep conditioning my hair. So I really don't think, your parts, they need to be perfect. So of course, ensure that your hair is damped. And if it's a case where your hair, easily dries out, just ensure that you have a spray bottle to moisturize it as you go along. Now that I've separated my hair, what I'm going to do is just to take down each section one by one, and then I'm going to finger comb it through. As it relates to you finger combing each section, you have the option to 1, finger comb it before you apply the product, and 2, finger comb it after you apply the product. But any one you choose is effective. Just ensure that if you're going to choose to finger comb it before you apply the product, just ensure that your hair is damped or wet enough. And of course, after I finger comb that particular section, as you can see, I'm just using that brush. This is a detangling brush, and I'm just using it to just rake the product through my hair. If I find this particular brush on Amazon, I will definitely leave a link in the description because I love this brush so much. And after using the brush to rake the product through my hair, as you can see, I'm just twisting it. And then, of course, you're just going to repeat the steps. Alrighty?
Give me a moment to be sincere. Feeling this way since top of the year. Lately we've been real unsure, unclear. Is it just me? Where do you go when you disappear? Tell me your secrets, you got my ear. Room to assume it's feeding my fears. Don't wanna leave, pull me in closer. Can we start over? Don't want nobody but you. No matter what we go through, keeping it between us two, me and you. Can we survive the distance? Don't know what we're missing, but there is a space between us. I know healing ain't instant, but can we survive the distance? Lifetimes are going like years away. More it will grow the more we delay. I'm just hoping it isn't too late. What can I do? Sorry if it's a little cliche. I know we're supposed to live in the gray. Leave it to chance or leave it to fate. But I'm missing you. Pull me in closer. Can we start over? Don't want nobody but you. Keeping it between us two. No matter what we go through, I stay true. But can we survive the distance? Don't know what we're missing, but there is a space between us. And I know healing ain't instant, but can we survive the distance? sincere. Feeling this way since top of the year. Lately we've been real unsure, unclear. Is it just me? Where do you go when you disappear? Tell me your secrets, you got my ear. Room to assume it's feeding my fears. Don't wanna leave, pull me in closer. Can we start over? Don't want nobody but you. No matter what we go through, keeping it between us two, me and you. Can we survive the distance? Don't know what we're missing, but there is a space between us. I know healing ain't instant, but can we survive the distance? Lifetimes are going like years away. More it will grow the more we delay. I'm just hoping it isn't too late. What can I do? Sorry if it's a little cliche. I know we're supposed to live in the gray. Leave it to chance or leave it to fate. But I'm missing you. Pull me in closer. Can we start over? Don't want nobody but you. Keeping it between us two. No matter what we go through, I stay true. But can we survive the distance? Don't know what we're missing, but there is a space between us. And I know healing ain't instant, but can we survive the distance? To be sincere, feeling this way since top of the year. Lately we've been real unsure, unclear. Is it just me? Where do you go when you disappear? Tell me your secrets, you got my ear. Room to assume it's feeding my fears. Don't wanna leave, pull me in closer. Can we start over? Don't want nobody but you. No matter what we go through, keeping it between us two, me and you. Can we survive the distance? Don't know what we're missing, but there is a space between us. I know healing ain't instant, but can we survive the distance? Lifetimes are going like years away. More it will grow the more we delay. I'm just hoping it isn't too late. What can I do? Sorry if it's a little cliche. I know we're supposed to live in the gray. Leave it to chance or leave it to fate. But I'm missing you. Pull me in closer. Can we start?
I got interrupted. I basically just put this thing over my hair, and then I'm just letting it sit for 15 minutes, and then I'm going to wash it out. Before I go, guys, there's this thing that I want to read. It's a quote from this Joel Osteen book. It's called God's Promises. At the end of every chapter, there's this thing called Declare the Promise. So that's what I'm going to read. It says, Father, thank you that your favor is endorsing me. Thank you that your favor is bringing me to prominence. Thank you that your favor is taking me to new levels. Rain your favor down on me in Jesus' name. I pray that today, guys, that God will rain favor in your life. I pray that through every dark season and through every circumstances that you may face right now, that you are going through right now, that you will find favor in your storm. So do not give up. I know sometimes, we want to give up, we want to quit, we want to throw in the towels, we don't know which direction to go. When your faith is shaky, still keep pushing. Sometimes when it's just about to get better, that's when things start to get worse. I just pray that, God will bless you in abundance and that every single good thing will come your way. You have to have faith, even if that faith is as small as a mustard seed. Thank you so much for watching this video. Remember to like, to share, and subscribe. Bye.